Welcome once again. Let's talk about Tectonic token, one of the best small cap coin, and I believe within the next few years this coin is definitely going to put smiles on a lot of holders' faces. But please, despite we are talking about Tectonic token, you need to invest what you can afford to lose. Now, Tectonic token's circulating supply, according to CoinMarketCap, have actually increased. Unlike TA and LADTA, the circulating supply was about 110 trillion. Now the circulating supply, according to CoinMarketCap, is about 244 trillion 918 billion 813 million 284,285 Tectonic coin is being circulating out there. Now Tectonic have about 500 trillion supply. Okay, yes, they have about 500 trillion supply. Now to me, there's this proposal that they should consider burning at least 50% of that remaining supply, because by the time you subtract 224 trillion from 500 trillion, we should be having about 280 or 278 trillion. I think that should be 278 trillion towards 278 or 276 trillion remaining supply. So if Tectonic token is about to burn out 50% of this 276 trillion coins, it means they will be burning about 136 or 137 to 136 to 140 trillion. So that's the possibility they can burn 140 trillion coins of Tectonic token. If only I quote, the founder, the developers can use this strategy in order to reduce the supply and the circulating supply. Yes, if only they can use this strategy to reduce the supply. Because for me, I don't think a coin with about 500 trillion will definitely attract so many people. But they can attract huge investors, they can attract huge billionaires into Tectonic token if they can destroy more coins. And one of the possible way they can do this right now, I think, especially now that the circulating supply have not really increased, so we still have about 276 trillion supply left. So why don't they just go ahead, decide to burn, to kill, to destroy half of that, which should be about almost 140 trillion. Then by the time you take away 140 trillion, the total supply in total we should be having should be about 360 trillion. And by the time you remove the circulating supply, LNC will be having about 140 remaining supply. So I believe if they can use this strategy, it will definitely benefit Tectonic token, especially from now, the month of June 2023 down to the end of 2025. So let's hope this, and let's hope if Tectonic can really consider this, if Tectonic can really stand up on the feet to support Tectonic token. So if they can really do that, they should really focus on burning more of these coins, and it will help this coin to really grow fast. Once again, this is only financial advice. Thank you for stopping by.